In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text field in DocuSign for a signer to fill out. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the option to start a new envelope. Depending on what version of the interface you see, this may appear as Start or Send an envelope. Select that option to begin preparing your document for signature. Next, upload the document you want the signer to complete. This can be a form, agreement, or any file that needs additional information entered by the recipient. After the document finishes uploading, enter the recipient's name and email address so DocuSign knows who the signer will be. Once that's done, select Next to open the document editor. This is where you'll place all the fields the signer needs to interact with. In the Fields panel, find the Text field. This is the field you'll use when you want the signer to type in information, such as a name, address, reference number, or any other required detail. Select the Text field, then click in the document where you want that field to appear. Try to place it clearly in the correct location so it matches the section the signer is meant to complete. Good placement helps avoid confusion and makes the signing experience much smoother. After placing the field, select it to open its settings. From there, assign the field to the correct signer. This is an important step, because if the field is assigned incorrectly, the intended recipient may not be able to fill it in. You should also enter a field label, or specify what information the signer should provide. A clear label helps the signer understand exactly what belongs in that space. If the information is mandatory, mark the field as required, so the signer cannot finish the document without completing it. If needed, adjust the field size and position. Make sure the box is large enough for the expected text and aligned neatly with the rest of the document. Small adjustments here can make the final document look much more professional. Before moving on, review the document carefully to confirm that the text field is correctly placed and assigned. This final check helps prevent errors before sending. When everything looks good, select Next or Send to continue. Finally, verify that the signer can enter information into the text field as expected. This confirms the field is functioning properly and the document is ready to go. Thanks for watching.